everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I have decided to do a project pan for 2020. For 2019 I tried to pan 19 products in 2019, which I succeeded. It was a rolling pan and I was able to pan, technically use up more than 19 products. I'm not doing that this year. I don't have that many things that I really want to use up. So basically, this year's project pan, I have 4 things. Is it a rolling pan? Maybe. I might do that. The things I have to pan, I've hit pan on a couple of them, but when I say pan, I mean I really want to put a dent in them. This is going to be a little different for me. So anyway, let's get started. The first thing is my Clinique Fit workout makeup. I have not used this enough. I have got to use this up. This is going to get old and it needs to be used up. So this is in my project pan to use up. When this one's gone, I will focus on another one of my foundations. I will just keep that going all year because I don't need a lot of stuff sitting around and not getting used. It killed me to throw away my chocolate bar palette, and I didn't even hit pan on any of the pans. It just expired, and that hit me that, you know, this stuff will go bad. I need to use it. So this is the first one. I will, when this one's used up, add another one and so forth. There won't be a huge amount panned this year. I will tell you that. Not like last year, but that's one. Next, I bought this. This was my first contour kit, and it's an Ulta contour kit. And I showed this quite a bit of love until I got my Kat Von D, which I absolutely adore my Kat Von D. This one, it's okay. As you can see, I really use this one. These are too dark for me. This one is too light for me. And these two highlighters, I just don't like at all. I don't care for them at all. They're not much of a highlighter. What I want is to use up this pan. This one pan right here. Then I feel I will have gotten my money's worth out of this. So, Bombshell Bronzer. My goal is to use that up. When that is, well, a bigger dent in it than it is now. I'll get to the point where I'll say that's enough. I don't know that I'll completely empty that pan. I'm not going to dig to get, you know, product out. I'm not that kind of person. But right now I have not used enough of that to really warrant getting rid of this. The rest of these shades I just can't use. They're not for me. So there's that. I have another bronzer. My Essence bronzer. I love this bronzer. This is like one of my absolute favorite bronzers. I would recommend going and purchasing this bronzer. It's like $3-4. It's wonderful. It smells good. Although my scent is fading, but it does smell good. I want to use up more of this pan. Do I have to go all the way to the edge? No, but I do want to use more of this up. And then I can say goodbye to this. And then this is the major. This is my major project pan this year. This is going to be it. Because of the chocolate bar palette. The next one I have to focus on is my Tartelette in Bloom. This was my holy grail favorite palette for so long. And I have yet to even hit pan on any of these. Look at that. Oh. My goal, there's 12 shades in here. The 3 dark I will probably not hit pan on. If I can pan 6, let's make it a goal of 6. If I can pan 6 of these shadows, I'll have got my money's worth. And when I say pan, I'm not one of these people that's going to use up every little inch. I have way too many eyeshadows in my collection, in my stash, to focus just on this because I've got all these other eyeshadows I need to use as well. But for the year, I hope to at least see the bottom of the pan on 6 of these eyeshadows. That is my project pan for 2020. And I think I can do it. I think I can. I like the little engine that could. I think I can. I think I can. I've never panned a palette. I have got to. This has got to be a thing this year because I just don't want to throw that out and it have expired and not really give it all the use and love it needs. So that's it. So if you guys want to join me, leave a comment down below on what you really want to focus on. What I'm doing is I'm challenging each and every one of you to pick a palette. Let's pick a palette and let's try to pan at least half the palette. If you pick a big palette, that's a lot of shadows. But for me, I'm going to try to pan at least half this palette. So, any of you guys want to join me, just leave a description below. Tell me the palette, and we will focus on it. We'll check in every month. We'll just take a check in every month, see where we are on these products. It's a simple project pan, nothing too major, not 20 and 20, not doing anything like that. So, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Questions or comments, leave them down below, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.